Hello everyone. Umkhonto Party has removed Bonginkosi Khanyile as the Youth League president with immediate effect. The party also axed other Youth League members, including Deputy President Tapelo Maisha as well as Pilani Kazuzu, who holds the position of Gauteng coordinator. However, the party made it clear that Khanyile will remain a normal member until he is notified of his redeployment. A letter dated April 9 said, "Dear Comrade Bonginkosi Education Khanyile, you are hereby removed from the position of National Coordinator Umkhonto we Youth League. This removal is effective from today. Your role going forward will be to be a normal member of the Umkhonto we Youth League. You'll be notified of your redeployment in due course." MK Party appreciates your role played thus far. His removal comes with no logical explanation or reason whatsoever. Sources told the IOL publication that he was removed because of unruly behavior and wanting to incite violence. In March, Khanyile threatened that all hell will break loose if former President Jacob Zuma and the newly formed party were not allowed on the ballot paper come election day in May. He said this during a media briefing in the Johannesburg CBD, where he was commenting about the legal battle with the African National Congress over the trademark and the registration of Umkhonto we Party, the party's list to parliament, and the Umkhonto we Party Youth League's future. He said if they remove the Umkhonto we Party and President Zuma from the ballot as the face of the campaign and try to take our rights, there won't be elections in South Africa. However, speaking on the sidelines of the Johannesburg High Court in March, MK Party founder Jabulani Khumalo said the party did not promote any political violence or disrupting democratic processes. He said they will also deal with members who support such. Khanyile was appointed as a president in January, a month after the Patriotic Alliance axed him as a member after he attended an Umkhonto we Party event that was addressed by former President Jacob Zuma. Before joining the PA, Khanyile was an active member of ANC and Economic Freedom Fighters. In 2021, he was allegedly charged with incitement to violence in connection with July unrest that swept across KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.